Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez. I am a trademark lawyer helping you with your online and offline business needs. We're gonna do a little Q&A today so that you can get to know me better and maybe we have more in common than just trademarks.
Question 1. What do you do for a living?
Well, you guessed it, I am a trademark lawyer. I have my own law firm.
Question 2. What did you want to be when you were little?
When I was little, I always wanted to be a judge. But then I changed my mind and I don't think I could ever be a judge. I really like being a trademark lawyer, so I think I'm in the right place.
Question 3. What is your favorite music?
So I love a lot of different types of genres. My taste in music will range from day to day. It just depends what kind of mood I'm in. But I definitely love electronic music, lo-fi, house music, dance music. I love bossa, samba. One of my favorite artists right now is Ray. I also really like Sophie Tucker. I also like Rosalia, Rauw Alejandro.
Question 4. How many languages do you speak?
Well, I speak English and Spanish, and I do speak a little bit of Portuguese and a little bit of French. I took French in high school and I took Portuguese in college for a minute. But I really enjoy learning other languages and practicing other languages when I can.
Question 5. What's the place that you want to travel to?
I definitely want to visit Rio in Brazil, and I want to visit Athens in Greece. So if you've been there, tell me some hot spots.
Question 6. What is your favorite food?
I do enjoy Mexican food. But honestly, I like all types of food. I like Italian food, Indian food. I love just grilled chicken and veggies. But I do tend to eat low carb or try to eat low carb because, I had some sugar imbalances that I had to deal with. And so now it's a good idea for me to continue to eat that way.
Question 7. If you are not a trademark lawyer, what would you be doing?
Well, I would definitely be an entrepreneur. I would definitely be in business. I love this concept that you can go out and do anything you want and be anything that you want and sell whatever you want. I mean, everybody has a talent, everybody has a skill. So I would definitely be an entrepreneur, a business owner anyway.
Question 8. What was your favorite part about law school?
I think meeting people who think similarly or who understand you, who understand the way you think, who have shared this experience with you, especially when you graduate, you've all been through this shared experience of the cruelty that is law school. They identify with your thought process. They understand why you think through things the way that you do. So I think that's my favorite part about law school is definitely being amongst a group of people.
Question 9. What is your favorite thing to do when you are not practicing law?
I love to read, you guys, and I love to read nonfiction. I love reading Entrepreneur magazine. I love reading magazines. I love reading medical articles online. My background is in health science. I graduated with a health science degree in college. I love understanding anything medically related and nutrition related.
Question 10. What is your favorite flower?
I love dahlias and hydrangeas in green and white, or green with like pink and orange. I really love that colorful combination of flowers. I'm not a fan of red flowers in particular, but I love most flowers that are in a colorful assortment like green and white and orange, pink, yellow. I noticed that I don't lean toward red flowers. For some reason, red is just a no on my list. I don't know.
Question 11. If you could only bring 3 things with you on a deserted island, what would you bring?
Oh my gosh, this is so hard. My phone, a blanket, and food.
Question 12. What's been the best career advice you've ever gotten?
Well, this wasn't career advice, but I did get advice when I was in law school and I was pregnant with my son and I was scared because, I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know how to be a mom or anything about being a mom, but the best advice I got was that there is no such thing as a perfect time. So there is no such thing as a perfect time to start a family, to graduate from college. There's no perfect time for anything. There's no such thing. So I think that's really good advice that carries over into a lot of different areas of life. There is no such thing as the perfect time.
Question 13. What is the most exciting part of your job?
The most exciting part of my job is that I get to meet business owners and that I get to talk to them and that I get to establish a friendship with them, be acquaintances with them even. I love getting to know entrepreneurs and business owners from, different backgrounds. I love that I can contribute something to their life and to their business and to their career. It's definitely a two-way street in that they contribute, in that they are significant to my life because I love hearing their story, and that I can also be significant in their life by contributing legal advice or knowledge in the area of trademarks or copyrights.
Question 14. What is your astrological sign?
I am a Scorpio. Do I behave like a Scorpio? I don't know. Some people would probably say yes. I would say that it definitely depends. I will say that I am a tenacious person, ambitious, and when it comes to certain things, I can be pretty decisive.
Question 15. What are you most thankful for?
I am most thankful for a lot of things. I'm thankful for my family. I am thankful for my job. I'm thankful for you guys who watch this video and all the videos on my channel. I'm definitely thankful for opportunity, and I feel like entrepreneurship gives people the opportunity to pursue one or many of their ambitions, and opportunity can come in different forms too. I'm grateful for my opportunities. I'm grateful that you have opportunities, and I wish that everybody could see that they have opportunities. Sometimes you just have to be brave enough to decide that it's worth going after the opportunity.
How many times did I say opportunity?
Question 16. If you have any superpower, what superpower would you have?
If I could have any superpower, I would love to be able to fly. I've had dreams where I've flown, and I just think it would be so cool. I want to fly.
Question 17. Are avocados overrated?
I eat avocados every day. I would say no, they're not overrated. They're probably underrated. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that we have something in common. If we do, tell me in the comments below, what do we have in common? Let me know if you have any questions for me, and if you want to get to know me even better, then make sure to check out that video right there. But if you don't want to get to know me better, then just watch some of these trademark videos up on the screen.